Did you know that the library has pasta machines you can borrow? Pasta machines and many, many other things are all part of our Library of Things collection. Now, I have never made my own pasta, so I decided to check it out and give it a try. The machine comes with that booklet that has a pasta recipe in it. And then these are all the other bits and bobs that come with the machine. First, you're going to make a cozy little nest out of 2 cups of flour. I used all-purpose flour. If you make a nice enough nest, then you might get some little visitors to come and stay. I'm hoping for some eggs. Three eggs go in the center of the nest. No shells, please. Get that out of here. Hey, it looks like a face. Next, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of sea salt and then half a tablespoon of olive oil. Now, I messed up this next step. You are supposed to now use a fork to gently break apart the egg yolks before you start in with your hands. Oops, it's all right. It still turned out okay. I squished them up with my fingers. Then you just keep squishing it around with your hands. It makes a lovely mess until it's soft and sticky and you have Muppet hands. Now we are going to continue kneading the dough until it is soft, which takes about 8 minutes. If you knead to the song American Pie, that will be 8 minutes and 32 seconds. But we can't do that here because of copyright. Once your dough is smooth, give it a happy smiley face. And then you're going to cover it in plastic wrap or a clean towel and let it rest for 30 minutes. Once your dough has had its 30-minute nap, you're going to divide it into 4 equal-ish pieces. And then sprinkle it with a little bit of flour to keep it from sticking and roll it into an oval, a flat oval shape. And now it's ready for the machine. All right, let's get rolling. You're going to run your dough through the machine several times using different settings so that it gets longer and thinner and longer and thinner. Make sure to give it a little pat of encouragement every once in a while. The instruction manual that comes with the machine will tell you all you need to know about the different settings. So we're just going to keep on rolling our dough through until it starts to look like a long, flat tongue. Now it's the fun part. Time to make noodles. You're going to run your long, flat tongue through the pasta setting. It has a couple of different settings. Look at that. Do a little dance, and there you go. Now, before we cook our pasta, we need to run a couple of tests. Number 1, does Kitty like it? Not really. What about Spoonie? Does Spoonie like it? Yeah, it makes a great toupee. Now it's time for the cooking bit. So you're going to bring some water to a boil and then slowly add your pasta into the water. And then you're going to let it cook for 1 minute. I know, it's fast. Once your pasta is done cooking and you've drained it, you can eat it. You can top it with whatever sauce you like. I put just a little olive oil and cheese on mine, and it was delicious. If you would like to see a full list of all of the items you can check out from our library of things, visit beavertonlibrary.org/LOT.